Hello, I'm Sebastian Hochgatterer, a big fan of outdoors and patient developer. I'm excited to introduce Trailpulse, a simple counting system placed on the trails. It accurately counts the footsteps of hikers and track of cyclists. This data is sent almost immediately to an easy-to-read dashboard. This gives towns, tourism groups and builders input information about how trails are used. Our goal is to make trails more suitable and protect nature by using accurate data for better decisions. Our technology is invisible and doesn't disturb anyone's outdoors experience. It provides exact and reliable data on trail use, which helps keep discussion among different groups calm and based on facts. Trailpulse is easy to maintain and lasts a long time, making it a cost-efficient solution for everyone. Our sensor is self-powered and uses simple technologies for communication. We believe Trailpulse can help make trail networks more suitable and protect nature landscapes. The number of use cases is not fully realized. Help us shape the trails of the future in harmony with nature and AWS First Incubate. Thank you.